Swipe down in the center of your home screen and type Shortcut. Tap on the Shortcuts app. Click the plus sign at the top of the screen. Click on the caret or arrow in the upper left-hand corner beside New Shortcut. Rename it Audio Extraction. Click the drop-down arrow again. Choose an icon. You can choose the color and then type in speaker and select the speaker that matches. Now on the right hand side of the screen, look for the eye in the upper right hand corner and click on it. And then make sure you select the show and share sheet. And you should see a box that says receive images and 18 more or whatever. Input from share sheet. It doesn't have to match exactly what I have on my screen, but it should look similar. Beside the eye, click the action button and search for encode. Select encode media. A new box should appear on the left. Tap the arrow beside it and choose audio only. Toggle that on. Make sure the format is M4A and that the speed is normal. There's nothing you need to do with the metadata. Type name and select set name from the options. Another box should show up. Type audio extraction and select done. That will name the file so it's easier to find. And then search for save and select save file. Click the down arrow beside renamed item and make sure that the toggle beside ask where to save is slid on. Now you can click the left arrow in the upper left hand corner of the screen beside the folder. And you should have a new tile that you can use for audio extraction. Now that you're done with these steps, that should be the only time you need to install this shortcut, and you'll be able to use this shortcut to extract the audio from a video whenever you need to do that.